Welcome to Kara's Keys to Creativity, where mistakes make the magic happen. Do you have kids or pets and carpet? They don't mix. In this set of videos, we're gonna be ripping up the carpet, painting the concrete, but first we have to take everything out of the room. It's a lot of work. Check it out. No easy feat taking all of the stuff out of your little boy's bedroom. Okay, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video where we rip up the carpet and the padding.